Hey, hi everyone, welcome to PCF. In this video, we are going to discuss about some scenario-based interview questions. Okay, so earlier, I have created so many interview questions. Okay, so those are like 2 to 3 years of 3 2 to 4 years of experience people have created the videos. For now, this is like so. I'm going to create for now scenario-based interview questions, and every Saturday I'm going to create scenario-based interview questions, and also like so some complex things we will do. Okay, so this is the first day, so I'm going to use the scenario basis. Okay, so when work on something like see the first thing. So when go with the first question, what are the advantage of using Power BI? So first, I can say cost wise. Okay, you can so cost wise compared to other tools. See, Tableau is no $75 to $80 per month per user, but Power BI is $9.99, almost $10 per month per user. It's the basic license. Okay, so cost wise, it's a very cheap. Because of this reason, all reporting tools are migrating into Power BI. So that is the one reason, and it is easy to use. Okay, no one, so everyone can learn Power BI, and there is no coding and all. So that is one more advantage, and everyone can use it. It's a self-service BI. Okay, so software as a service. Okay, we have so many features that we have, and also we can connect 100 plus sources. Okay, that may be structured data, semi-structured data, and structured unstructured data also. But most of the reporting tools will connect only structured and semi-structured data. But here, Power BI can connect structured and unstructured and semi-structured data also. Okay, and by using Python and even R also, we can create a visuals, Power BI visuals. Okay, these are the advantages we have to work with the Power BI. So there are so many, but these are some of the features. Okay, and then difference between SSRS and Power BI. Okay, so if you keep a resume, like so whether you have a knowledge or whether you worked on. Okay, so people may ask you this question. Okay, so what are the differences between SSRS and Power BI? So when so if you come to the size wise, okay, but SSRS can connect a large amount of data set, but Power BI can connect only, if it is a pro license 1 GB and premium license plus 10 plus GB above. Okay, and then the source connectivity, we have SSRS limited connections, but Power BI can connect 100 plus sources, and also applicability. So SSRS is only for the server based actually. It's not a cloud based. But Power BI is a server based we have, and then cloud based both we have. Okay, coding knowledge, to be required coding knowledge for SSRS. Yes, we need coding knowledge. So it's not easy to know create a reports with the SSRS. You should know about the SQL and then stored procedures to create SSRS. But Power BI no need any coding knowledge. And also we have mobile applications, and then so these things we have uh, from mobile also. You can browse your reports and all everything by using Power BI. Okay, so these are the differences we have. Next, so people may ask you the next question, like differences between Power BI desktop and then Power BI service case. Okay, so Power BI desktop, many data source transforming, shaping, modeling. Okay, you can create a measure, calculated column. So you can use a Python and themes and row level RLS, row level security also you can create. So in Power BI service, okay, what are the common things? Okay, if you see what are the common things from both, so you can see here. So common things is that, like, you can create a reports, visualization, security, filters, bookmark, Q&A, and R visuals also. Okay, but in Power BI service, we have some data sources, not all data sources. Okay, here we can connect many sources, but here we can connect only few sources. And then we have all apps and workspaces to share the data. Okay, to share end users. Okay, first of all, so the first difference is Power BI desktop is a developer tool, Power BI service is a user tool actually. So you can share the reports, okay, by using apps and workspaces. Okay, you can share the report to the end users, and also we can create the data flows. Okay, but that we cannot create data flows in the Power BI desktop. And also we can create a page. We can publish the paginated reports into Power BI services. Okay, we have RLS management. Here we will create the RLS, and then it, sorry, in Power BI service we maintain that, and then gateway connections. Okay, gateways mainly for the now refreshing the data. So the gateways will be in the Power BI services. Okay, so these are the differences are there. So lot more differences are there. These are some of the most important differences. And what are the different types of Power BI tools available? Which tool you are working on? Like, so if you see, okay, so if you go here, so when you click on download, guys, okay, so when you click on download Power BI, so you may see sorry. So download, if you go to the download, see here is a Power BI desktop we have, Power BI mobile, Microsoft mobile we have. So on gateway tool we have on-premises gateway, and then on-premises reporting with the Power BI server we have, and also we have a Power BI report builder. Okay, these are the different kind of tools we have. Most of the times people will work on Power BI desktop. Okay, Power BI desktop and Power BI server. Okay, if you want to create a server related reports, we'll use a Power BI server, but like a pay, so so user don't want to publish their data into cloud, then you will go for the on-premises server Power BI. So otherwise, we can use the Power BI desktop. So gateway is refreshing. The gateway is a bridge between your on-premises sources and then Power BI service. Then that time we'll install the gateway. Most of the times we'll use Power BI desktop and then gateway. Okay, so those are the things we'll work on. Okay, so some people may work with the Power BI desktop as well as Power BI server also. Okay, so you can mention, okay, whatever the so tools you worked on, you can mention that. Okay, and what are the different types of licenses we have in a Power BI? So I have explained very clearly. So you can go and also I will add this. No, I will add that video description. I will add that video link in the description below so that you can go through that. Okay. Basically, we have a three types of licenses. We have Pro, free, Pro, Premium. So, and what are the benefits we have, and then what are the differences we have? I explained very clearly. So you can go and then watch that video so that you will be very clear. And then next one. So what? So what is the difference between object level and row level? Object means table level, guys. Okay, object means a table level security, and then row level security. So most of the people, okay, so if you know the Power BI, so you know about row level security. But what is object level security? So if you want to know restrict, okay, some of the tables end user should not access that, we can go and then we can give access at object level actually. So table, you can restrict the entire table so that user cannot see the table. Okay, so this we can give by using tabular editor is there. So external to tabular editor is there. So by using the tabular editor, you can give a object level security also. Okay, so yeah, so for that, if you want, okay, I can create a video on this object level security, how to provide the object level security and all. And then next one, how can you show multiple measures with the common access in a single visualization? Okay, so there is a single visualization based on the selection. Based on the selection, I want to show measure in a access. Okay, so measure in a access. How we can show that? So we have a actually field parameter is there. So that is introduced in recently. So that is in preview feature. And also, okay, so if the field parameter is not there, like how we can show? So we can go with the if or switch statement, and then based on the selection, like so based on the user selection, selected value function is there. So we can by using the combination if and switch and selected value combination, you can, okay, based on the user selection, you can change the access. Okay, that is the, one of the scenario based interview question, guys. Okay, so most of the people you get them. So many people are asking like what is the z adder. Z adder is not kind of, any visual, guys. Okay, actually, so people are also asking the, interview question also. Okay, what is the z adder? So z adder is not kind of, any visual or any kind of things. Okay, it's something like arranging the visuals and then to refresh the visual. Okay, which order you want to, keep. Okay, which order you want to place the visuals. Okay, so arranging the, arranging the order is nothing but a, so that is called a z order case. Okay, that is called a z order. Okay, so next one, so next we have, how to show and hide. Okay, how to show and hide, sorry, charts. Okay, charts are, charts. Okay, how to, so normally, like, so by using buttons, bookmarks, we can show and hide the visuals, but I don't want to use the buttons and bookmarks. So how we can, how we can, based on the user selection, okay, slicer selection, based on the slicer selection, I want to show the visuals and I want to hide the visuals. Okay, I want to, some visuals to be hide, I want to some visuals to be show. So how we can achieve that? Okay, so actually, so which visual you want to hide, so you can write a if condition and then you can make that color transparency so that we can avoid that. So like, so for that, for this one, I'm going to create a video soon, that case. Okay, so this is the, so we have used on, my, projects. Okay, so that is a, real scenario actually, so that I have, experienced in my project also. And also how to reset this one also we have faced, how to reset the slicer. Okay, when the user is selected some slicer, okay, user is selected some value, but so there are multiple slicers are there is selected, but I want to reset all at a time, I want to unselect all at a time. So how to do that? Okay, so that we can go with the, that we can go with the, bookmarks again. Okay, we can set up one button and then we can set up a bookmarks. So when user click on that bookmark, so automatically it will, clear that slicer. So this one also I am going to create a video. This two I am going to create a video, guys. Okay, soon, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will create these videos. And what is the differences between standard gateway and then personal gateway? So how to install and all, so I have, explained very clearly. And this one also I am going to give a, no I am going to give a video link description. Okay, video description. Okay, that link description I will give in the description, guys. Okay, so in this video description I will give that link. And also, um, so if I have shared the, so next question, okay, this is also scenario based. I have shared the report to the end user, and I have deleted that, I have deleted that data set. Okay, data set I have deleted, but report has been shared to the end user. But what end user can see? Okay, end user can see the report, or else you can see the, visuals. Okay, so just, try this. Okay, so try this, or else we can try here only. Okay, so how end user can see. So now let me, go here. So let me zoom out. So if I delete any, apps.powerbi.com, okay, if I delete any data set, okay, so after deleting the data set, if you, open a report, okay, what end user can see? Okay, so that's what I am trying to explain here. Okay, these are the, so let's clear all. So suppose, you know so something, so these data sets are there. Okay, so this is the data set I have, and then this is the, uh, um, even report is there. Okay, whether you can able to delete or not, first of all, that is the main thing. Okay, let's go and here. Okay, so let's, delete that. So see, so people will ask you like this. Okay, so whether, so first of all, to delete your data set, first you have to delete your depending dashboards and then reports, then only so it may delete. Okay, the data set cannot be deleted because it's included in a publish apps. Trying to unpublish that apps and then remove all contents, then only you can able to delete. Okay, so but directly you cannot able to delete. Okay, whether you know this point or not, so for that purpose interviewer may ask this question. Okay, first of all you have to delete all this and then delete. Okay, so but once you delete that, so even end user, okay, we have already shared that report to the end user, right? But so end user may get the when he, so without refresh he can able to see that, but when he refresh that, so there is no data set, like something went wrong, so he can able to see the kind of errors. And then how to avoid a many to many relationship. Okay, so this is the short for this question. Short answer is to so create a bridge table. Okay, you can create a bridge table. So by creating a bridge table we can avoid a many to many relationship, and also we can use theta as a function. Okay, that one also, by using that one also we can avoid a many to many relationship. Okay, next question: in which scenario we will go for the both direction? Okay, both direction, and what situation we'll go for that? Okay, so now let me go with the some paint so that you will understand very clearly. Suppose you have a sales fact table you have, and then product table you have. Okay, customer table you have. Okay, so there is no direct relationship between the customer table and then product table, right? So we have a but you want to use some values, some fields from customer table, some fields from product table. Okay, so but there is no direct relationship. Okay, if you don't have a direct relationship, by default the product table is a product table is a dim table. Okay, dim customer, dim table means what? Dimension table. Okay, dim customer is also dimension table. Okay, so by default it will have a one to many relation. So sorry, this is the fact sales table. You can feel it's a fact sales table. Okay, it's a fact sales table. Then it will have here many. Okay, here many. Here it will have a one actually. So here we have one. Okay, here again we have a many, and here again we'll have a one. So where you have a situation, okay, the scenario is that, so like there is no direct relationship between so customer and product. There is no direct relationship between customer and product. So if you use one field from here and then one field from here, and then if you create a some visual. Okay, if you create some visual. Okay, then it will not give a proper results. Okay, in that situation you can go with the both direction. Okay, in that situation you will go with the both direction. So they, when we don't have a direct relationship between, so but so my recommendation is to avoid a both direction whenever it is possible. Okay, so if you have a no, definitely, okay, there is no other alternative, so we have to use a bidirection, then only you can use the bidirection. Otherwise if you make entire model bidirection, it will create a loop, and then so it will kill the performance. Okay, so that is the one thing, guys. Okay, that is the one thing. And then so differences between all and all accepted, all selected, sorry, all and all selected. So the main differences is all will remove the filters actually, that may be inside filter or outside filter, but all selected will remove the inside filter, it will keep the outside filter. Okay, so if you want to know more about, okay, so I have explained the filter functions very clearly. Okay, even I will give that video link in the in this video description. Okay, you can go and then watch that. Okay, so the next scenario based question is, okay, we can merge all tables into single table by using merge query, right? So why we need a modeling? Okay, we can merge, so whatever the tables are there, we can merge all the tables into single table. Anyhow, we have a join, we have a common key. Okay, so we can merge into all into one table. Okay, but why we are going to modeling? So which one is the best practice? Merging all tables into single table, or modeling? Question, right? So in this situation, okay, in this situation, it's a very complex question actually. So when we have so fact table will have the huge amount of data, right? Okay, fact table will have huge amount of data. If you combine this dimension tables with the fact table, so this dimension table will be duplicated, and then the memory will be enlarged. Okay, it will increase, right? It will increase, so that so that we may face the performance issue. So better to divide it into multiple dimension tables. Okay, you have to keep a dimension table separately, and then create a fact table, and then so create a relationship. Okay, that would be um, fast performance. Okay, so this is a scenario based questions for today, guys. Okay, next Saturday, so I will come up with a few more scenario based questions. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, guys. Okay, I'm creating daily videos. Okay, so to encourage me, hit the thumbs up button, and then for more videos, and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys. Thank you so much.